Get a real meal. Paid for by Hardee's and Carl's Jr.
Boo!
I'm sorry for what I did to your face.
Oh, good. Have a break. Breaks are good. Have one.
Give us the work no one else wants to do. We don't just go against the grain, we grow it. Give us the frontiers. The places where success is measured and pushed limits. Give us the middle of nowhere, where the only map is your buddy's tread marks. This life, no one's born ready for it.
Howdy. On October 12th, open up the door.
I ain't gonna do that.
Comes the most viciously unpredictable. You watching it? Thriller of the year.
Are you good or are you bad?
Feel free to flip that if you need to make a decision. Bad times at the El Royale. Rated R.
We're more than just $7.99 large two-topping pizza delivered. We're that moment you realize you're raising her right. No one out-pizzas the Hut.
The bad guys are in for it now. Goku's back.
It's the end of the line, Goku! Where'd he fly off to now?
The more blind spots you have for me to exploit. You better watch out.
I don't need advice from you!
I want to see how big you can get.
I don't think it's smart for your pop to hit that wolf guy if it's just gonna raise his power!
You know Dad. The reason he asked for this tournament is to fight the strongest guys in the cosmos. That means getting Bergamo as big as he can.
I'm so tired of these Saiyans making every battle they're in harder than it needs to be.
Is this as big as you can get?
Why you?
His power is equal to that of a god!
What an impressive warrior! Did we take him too lightly?
Wow, Goku is amazing. He calls this level Super Saiyan Blue.
I'm not done. I can take this power level and multiply it.
Kyle! Your light show doesn't scare me.
What's wrong? Let's fight some more.
How could the seventh universe achieve this? What are you?
That settles that?
The Sinnoh Expo is hereby concluded. The seventh universe is the winner.
Oh no, Bergamo!
Our brother!
Your friend Goku is very strong. Yes, my friend Goku is super duper strong.
Hey, Zitties!
Huh?
I didn't hold anything back like I promised!
You were awesome! You made the expo so much fun!
Goku intentionally made Bergamo as strong as possible, and then used that challenge as motivation to reach his own highest level of power. The Saiyan truly loves nothing more than to back himself into a corner.
All right, Universe 7 is number 1!
I think your celebration is a little premature.
Huh?
We haven't started the actual tournament of power yet.
Brother, we're coming!
I wanted to see your true power out there, but in a way I was just fighting against myself. You just absorb my power, and then fight me with only that. If we square off in the tournament, you gotta show me what you can do, okay?
Everyone here thinks of you as a villain now. You just can't wait to see whole universes destroyed, can you? Well, since that's the case, I'll do everything to make sure your vile universe is the first to go. Every fighter here will be coming for you. You're getting obliterated, 7th universe. The 9th isn't going anywhere. We'll win this thing, you'll see.
All right! Then bring it on, guys! I'll face all of you! I love a good challenge! Send all your strongest warriors against me at once! I'll cover every single one of them! Woo!
Did the expo excite you for the tournament proper, Grand Zenos? Shall I tell our visitors that we'll be proceeding as planned?
Oh yes, that was super in every way. Super is the word I was thinking too. We super can't wait for the tournament of power.
Assembled deities from across the great cosmos. The 3 matches between the 7th and 9th universes has brought much pleasure.